I have you see here after 8 passes. I thought I'm gonna show you how the scraping goes. I'm dragging the blade for two reasons. One is because it's easier. Second is if I raise the blade and put it back on the table, I might catch one of these shavings between the blade and the plate, and then it will leave a scratch, not actually scrape. So that's the reason I'm dragging it over the surface. And even with that, I have to continuously remove the shavings so they are not getting under. This is how it looks. And on the edge here, doesn't need to be perfect because the other pass in the other 45-degree direction will take care and average everything out.